Do you want to make a big improvement in your English? One of the best ways to do that is by mastering English tenses. This means understanding the difference between saying I work or I am working, I have worked or I had worked, and so on. Tenses tell us when something happened, and whenever you communicate in English, you're using an English tense. The only question is, are you using the right tense? In this series, you will learn all of the English tenses. These are full, complete classes for anyone who wants to speak, write, or understand English more easily and clearly. With each tense, we will go step by step from beginning to end. We'll also go through the program from beginner level to the advanced level tenses. And we'll do lots of practice along the way. In addition, I will show you a special way to understand these tenses so you can really start to use them more easily and quickly. Remember, tenses give structure to the language. If your structure is weak, your English will be weak. But if your structure is strong, your English will be strong. So, join me in this program to master the English tenses so that you can communicate fluently and confidently in English.